Welcome to Sparrow Vision with your host, Dr. William Sparrow.
Thank you. I am your host, Dr. Sparrow. Welcome to the Sparrow Vision Studio. Today is an exciting day for me because I get to try out my new equipment that I just got today. So we are going to see if it lives up to its true potential. And this video is with the Shure microphone that I'm using, which is a great microphone. Don't get me wrong. This is the Shure SM7 microphone, which is, I was told, one of the top microphones. And when I set it up, I do agree it is a great microphone. But then I started checking around, and there is a microphone that is a step up to the Shure SM7. And this one is the SM7DB. The SM7BD has all the equalizer components in the microphone. So we're going to set up the new SM7DB microphone, and we're going to see if it is truly the better microphone of the two, which I have no doubt in my mind that it's going to be. It also came with two windsocks. One is the little one that you saw on the microphone. This other one, I think I'm going to give it a try because it has a bigger windsock, and I think it will reduce the background noise level. I'm excited to use this. It has a lot more functions on it to make the voice sound so much better. Also, I got in today that I'm excited is my new professional sound card. And what makes this one different than the one I'm using now is, let me open up the package. This new sound card, I can use two microphones with. It has two inputs for microphones. It has an equalizer set up. And on the back, I could even plug in my cell phone to use with this. So we are going to connect everything and see if it makes the podcast just a little bit more clear, crisp, and just all out fun to do more podcasts. So tune in to the next video. Thank you. Okay, so now here is the new microphone, the Shure SM7DB. So we're going to see the comparison between the SM7B to the SM7DB. And I'm going to see which one is actually going to be a better quality. This one has all the extra components built into the mic that the other Shure microphones don't have. I was using Beacon microphones, which Beacons are excellent microphones. And then I went from the Beacon to the Shure microphone. This one is just your basic Shure podcast microphone. Nothing fancy about it. Good quality if you're just getting started. like I am. I am not a professional. I do not claim to be a professional. And then I went from the regular Shure microphones to the Shure SM7 B microphone, which also is a great microphone, and it has some equalizer put into it. And now we went to the SM7DB, the one we're on now. So we're going to compare the two SMs and see which one is the better quality, if it was worth it. I would love to know your input. You can send me a message or give me a call at Sparrow Vision Studio, 765 388 2012. Until next time.